Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin talk Dogecoin and Ethereum Colab. Ethereum co-creator Vitalik Buterin uncovered that he's available to a joint effort among Ethereum and Dogecoin, investigated the perspective behind Elon Musk's crypto methodology, and said he does not accept Bitcoin can save the world, talking artificial intelligence researcher Lex Fridman's podcast this week. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said he pretty much concurs with Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin about a joint effort between Dogecoin and Ethereum. Buterin said that in the event that we can have a protected Doge-to-Ethereum connection, that would be astounding. In the 3-hour discussion, the pair likewise discussed Buterin's copying of practically 50% of all Shiba Inu coins, administrative pressing factors in the crypto business, and non-fungible tokens. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Global, a channel where we give information to you about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you're new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we'll talk about Lex Fridman's podcast this week, in which Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin talk about a probable collaboration between Dogecoin and Ethereum. We'll also discuss the possibilities of recovery of Ethereum. Vitalik Buterin talks about Dogecoin and Ethereum bridge. Elon Musk agrees. Referring to the Tesla and SpaceX CEO over and over tweeting about Dogecoin, Fridman said that there's a force behind somebody like Elon Musk pushing the advancement of a cryptocurrency. He then at that point asked Buterin if there was an approach to use that force and energy to improve Ethereum, to which Buterin said that assuming Doge some way or another needs extension to Ethereum, and individuals could exchange Doge a great many times each second within Loopring, then at that point, that would be astonishing. The fellow benefactor emphasized that he certainly doesn't think that Ethereum is against Dogecoins. He sort of needs the fans to feel like Ethereum is, in any event, a smidgen, in soul itself, a Dogecoin. He elaborated, saying that he thinks on the off chance that they could have a protected Doge-to-Ethereum connection. That would be astonishing, and afterward, when Ethereum gets any adaptability that works for Ethereum assets, it would have the option to exchange wrap Doge with exceptionally low exchange expenses, and fast too. Remarking on Musk's activity to help Dogecoin, Buterin said that you would make a mistake if you were to ascribe too much sophisticated malevolence or deep intentionality to the whole process. He's just a human being, and he likes dogs just like I like dogs. Musk then, at that point, remarked on the meeting, tweeting, "I pretty much agree with Vitalik." Ethereum is, as of now, going through an overhaul, changing from a proof-of-work (POW) agreement model to a proof-of-stake (POS) model. Buterin, as of late, clarified why the overhaul is taking longer than anticipated. Perhaps the most serious issue I've found with our venture isn't the specialized issues, it's issues related with individuals. Ethereum is presently in a superior financial position. However, it took us 5 years to get to where we are currently. We've had a ton of inward group clashes in these 5 years. In the event that you're building a group, it's essential to know who you are working with, the Ethereum Prime supporter depicted. Last month, Musk proposed a few upgrades for Dogecoin, professing to have met with Doge engineers. Musk stated that in a perfect world, Doge speeds up block time 10x, builds block size 10x, and drops expense 100x. Now we'll move on to the discussion of the crypto crash and the possibilities of the recovery of the crypto market. Why did the crypto market crash? The last 2 weeks have brought the crypto market back to earth after a roaring start to 2021. Bitcoin is still worth 4 times what it was at this time last year, but the crash, which has been caused by a Chinese crackdown on cryptocurrency, has some market analysts and investors concerned. Following Tesla's choice, the market was at that point encountering a fierce time before China declared a clampdown on cryptocurrencies, which saw costs plunge. China restricted the entirety of its banks and monetary organizations from offering customers any administrations, including cryptocurrency, which included coin contributions and exchanges. The country's monetary industry bodies likewise cautioned against speculative exchanging. The National Internet Finance Association of China, the China Banking Association, and the Payment and Clearing Association of China delivered a joint proclamation. It read, "As of late, cryptocurrency costs have soared and plunged, and theoretical exchanging of cryptographic money has bounced back, truly encroaching on the security of individuals' property and upsetting the ordinary monetary and monetary request. The effect saw crypto costs tumble. Is the Bitcoin BTC market about to experience V-shaped recovery? The cost of Bitcoin BTC has been solidifying for over 14 days after it encountered perhaps the greatest accident in crypto history. Although the market has quieted down, keeping down additional decreases, we don't see a fast V-shaped recuperation. Notwithstanding, the chance of one is still in the game. A standout amongst other known examiners in the crypto space, Plan B, has recommended that it may happen soon. An unmistakable example in the cryptocurrency options market appears to affect the BTC cost intensely this year. V-shaped recovery. By far, the greatest drop has happened somewhat recently between May 12th and 19th. This is the place where Bitcoin dropped from around $57,000 to a low of $30,000. This region is set apart as the longest isosceles triangle. It likewise put a question mark on it, contemplating whether the example will be acknowledged once more. If that somehow managed to occur, the coming time frame could prompt an increment in the cost of the primary cryptocurrency by more than a half. Nonetheless, it ought to be recollected that the value activity to date in 2021 was in all likelihood following the Wyckoff appropriation design. Upon its finish, one expects not a quick recuperation back to the highs, but instead an all-encompassing time of gathering. It is contended that his V-shaped recuperation speculation depends on an example of fluid and illiquid, exchanging periods at various occasions of every month. From the start of this current year, a reasonable example of cost expansions in the main long stretches of the month. Moreover, decreases in the second 50% of the month are seen. Such conduct of dealers is regularly clarified by the pattern of opening and terminating subordinate monetary instruments in the crypto market. Alternatives, including the prospects market. Merchants open situations toward the start of the month, as a rule on the primary Monday. These alternatives lapse and positions normally close on the last Friday of the month. On the off chance that the circumstance were to rehash from May 28th, we ought to notice a BTC value rally. Without a doubt, since last Friday, the cost of the principal digital money has expanded by 18%. It additionally endeavored to break out of the balanced triangle where it was exchanging from the fantastic drop on May 19th. Sadly, the breakout ended up being phony. At press time, Bitcoin has gotten back to the triangle structure with a cost around $36,500. This move, nonetheless, doesn't preclude the chance of continuation of the V-shaped recuperation before long, since neighborhood decreases happened after increments consistently. All things considered, it merits reviewing that the Bitcoin drop in May was perhaps the greatest accident in the whole history of the crypto market. In this manner, it's dubious to be trailed by a moment's recuperation to the unequaled high region. Be that as it may, cryptocurrency may shock us. They generally do. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope it was a big help to you. Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thank you for watching.